Good afternoon, everyone. So, yesterday we started the pictograph. Okay, basic rules were told to you. Now, today we are going to start problem set 52. Okay, and question number one is stock of various type of grains stored in a warehouse are as given below. Make a pictograph based on the information given. Correct? So here stock of various type of grains stored in a warehouse. Warehouse मतलब सबको पता है, correct? Where we are storing the grains. Okay. So the stock of the grains is given, and we have to make the pictograph based on the given information. Now first grain is rice, and sacks of rice are 40. Then second one, wheat is there, and sacks of wheat are 56. Then bajra is there, sack of bajra are 8, and last grain is jowar, and sacks of jowar is 32. Now, we'll make the pictograph now. Correct? So, while preparing the pictograph, first column will be grain because grains are given, and second column will be of sacks. Correct? Now, second important thing that we'll find out the factors. Now tell me the factor. I hope everyone know the factors. We learn what is mean by factors. तो आप ऐसा एक नंबर ढूंढो जो हम लोग ले सके और उसका फैक्टर्स या उसका वो हम इस सैक्स को दे सके जिसका पिक्चर हम लोग ड्रॉ कर सके. ओके, इफ आई एम टेकिंग 2, I'm giving example. Okay, if I'm taking 2 as a factor, तो मुझे 40 के लिए कितने कितने सैक्स ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे? 20. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल ना. यहाँ पे 56 है तो कितने ड्रॉ करने पड़ेंगे? तो हमें ऐसा फैक्टर लेना है जो बड़ा हो और सारे नंबर्स उसमें आ जाए. इफ आई एम टेकिंग, इट इज सिंपल. check the table. Okay, here is a 40, then 56, 8, 32. तो ये ऐसे नंबर्स है जो 8 के टेबल में आ रहे हैं. करेक्ट? 8 5 are 40, 8 4 are 32, 8 7 are 56. If we are taking the scale as 8 for one sack, अगर हम लोगों ने ये 8 जो है sacks, करेक्ट, वो ले लिया, 8 sacks ले लिया एज एक सैक का पिक्चर निकाल रही हूँ यहाँ पे. सब नाउ आई एम नॉट एबल टू ड्रॉ बट आई विल मेक ओनली बॉक्स. ठीक है, सपोज ये सोच लो कि ये सैक है ऐसा. करेक्ट? तो वन सैक इट्स रिप्रेजेंट फॉर 8 सैक. अगर मैं एक सैक का पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? एक सैक मतलब क्या? उसका मतलब होगा कि वो 8 सैक्स को इंडिकेट कर रही है. करेक्ट? 8 सैक्स को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. तो मैं यहाँ पे 8 सैक्स अलग अलग बनाने से अच्छा मैं उसको एक ही सैक बना लूंगी और मैं स्केल क्या लिखूंगी? वन पिक्चर ऑफ सैक रिप्रेजेंट 8 सैक्स. करेक्ट? Here 40 number is there. 40 sacks are there. I will not draw 40 sacks. Okay, I will draw only 5 sacks. Okay, और 5 सैक्स का मतलब क्या होगा? वन सैक रिप्रेजेंट 8 सैक. एक पिक्चर रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है 8 सैक्स को, तो 5 पिक्चर किसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16. करेक्ट? 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40. So when I'll draw 5 pictures of sack, that means दिस सैक्स रिप्रेजेंट 40 सैक्स. ये 5 पिक्चर क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? 40 सैक्स. So I hope this is clear to you how we will use the scale. Correct? Now, so we'll start this sum. Okay. So we'll make a pictograph, correct? Now my drawing is not good at like you. So here I will write grains. I am writing only G, you will write full grain. And here what will come? Sack. Correct? Here what will come? Sacks. Now write the now write the grains first. Rice, wheat, bajra, and jowar. Correct? Now my scale. Now I find out the factors. मैंने factors को निकाल लिया. Correct? अब फैक्टर्स को निकाला तो मैंने क्या किया कि एक एक ऐसा नंबर है जिसके टेबल में ये सारे नंबर्स आ रहे 40, 56, 32. सो आई विल टेक माय फैक्टर एज 8. मैं क्या ले लूंगी? 8 ले लूंगी. नाउ आई विल ड्रॉ द वन पिक्चर. आई विल टेक वन सिंबल because while when we are making a pictograph that time symbol is very important. करेक्ट? जब भी हम लोग पिक्टोग्राफ बनाते हैं तो सिंबल होना बहुत जरूरी है. सो सपोज दिस इज माय सिंबल फॉर दिस सैक्स. ओके, तो ये वन सैक सिंबल इंडिकेट्स 8 सैक. अगर मैं एक सैक का सिंबल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ तो उसका मतलब होगा कि वो क्या बता रहा है? एक सैक का सिंबल बता रहा है, उसका मतलब है वो 8 सैक है. सो माय स्केल इज one sack picture equals to 8 sacks. Correct? Now rice is having 40 sacks. So how many pictures, how many symbols of these sacks I will draw? 5. 8 5s are 40. Correct? 8 5s are 40. 8 के टेबल में ये 45th place पे आता है. So how many sacks I will draw? 5 sacks. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now wheat. How many sacks are there? 56. How many sacks are there? 56. Correct? उसके कितने आए? 56 sacks है. So tell me how many sacks I will draw? How many symbols how I will draw? Are you able to tell me? Tell. Now 56 sacks are there. So how many sacks I will draw? See now in 8 times table at what position at which position this 56 is coming? How are it 10 sacks? 8 sevens are 56. तो अगर मैं 7 बैग्स बना रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? एक बैग 8 सैक्स को इंडिकेट कर रहा है, रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो इसका मतलब 7 बैग्स कितने को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे? 56 को. सो हाउ मेनी सैक्स आई विल ड्रॉ? 7 sacks. Correct? 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Correct? Now 8. Bajra is having 8 sacks. So I will only draw one sack because one sack represent 8 sack. ये एक जो symbol है वो क्या represent कर रहा है? 8 sacks. तो सिर्फ मेरे पास सिर्फ 8 ही है तो मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बना दिया because my scale is saying one symbol indicates 8 sack and here only 8 sacks are there. So I will only draw one symbol. Okay. And the last one is jowar. 32 sacks are there. 32 sacks are there. So how many symbols I will draw? Correct? 8 fours are 32. So only 4 sacks I will draw here. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. And here my pictograph is over. Scale is given. Symbol are used. Proper factors are found. Correct? तो ये हो गया मेरा pictograph. Okay, with the given information. It is very easy. ओके ये बहुत ही इजी है. इफ यू डू विथ concentration it is very easy. Only the important thing is to find out the factors. इसका मतलब important part क्या है? Now second question. Information about the various type of vehicles in Vadgaon is given below. Make a pictograph for this data. Okay. वडगांव के जो अलग अलग टाइप्स के व्हीकल्स है उनका इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे दिया गया है एंड यू हैव टू मेक द पिक्टोग्राफ फॉर दिस डेटा. ओके नाउ टाइप्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स is given and here numbers are given, correct? So first vehicle is bicycle. Number of bicycles in Vadgaon are 84. Automatic two-wheelers, numbers of automatic two-wheelers 60. Four-wheelers, cars and jeeps are 24. Heavy vehicles like truck, bus, etc. are 12 and tractors are 24. तो ये इंफॉर्मेशन हमें दिया गया है, करेक्ट? तो अभी हमें इसका क्या बनाना है? पिक्टोग्राफ. ओके नाउ कॉलम विल कम एज इट इज. दो कॉलम आएंगे हमारे भी, टाइप्स ऑफ व्हीकल्स एंड नंबर. ओके नाउ सेकेंड वन कॉलम्स बना लिए. सेकेंड वन इंपॉर्टेंट इज to find out the factors. Now see the correlation between these given numbers. ये जो नंबर दिए 84, 60, 24, 12, 24, आपको इसमें कुछ रिलेशन दिख रहा है? ऐसा कुछ टेबल है जिसमें ये सारे नंबर आ जाते? Do you remember any table in which these all numbers are coming? Don't search small numbers. Okay? छोटे छोटे नंबर मत ढूंढो क्योंकि फिर वो पिक्चर बनाने के लिए बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा हमें. We will not draw so many pictures. So use the big scale. बड़ा scale use करना है थोड़ा सा. Correct. So many students are giving the correct answer. A 12 timetable is there and in that all these numbers are coming. 12 twos are 24. Correct. So this 24 is over. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 fives are 60. Correct. And 12 sevens are 84. So we will use the scale. One picture equals to 12 vehicles. So our scale is whatever one picture will decide. Okay, whatever one picture we will decide, that one picture indicates 12 vehicles. Correct? This is our scale. तो हमारा स्केल क्या आ गया? ये हमें कहाँ पे लिखना है स्केल? एट द बॉटम ऑफ द पिक्टोग्राफ. पिक्टोग्राफ के हमेशा नीचे हमें स्केल लिखना है, बट स्पेस इज नॉट देयर, सो आई विल टेल यू ओनली हियर ओनली वेयर यू विल राइट द स्केल एट द बॉटम. Okay, at the bottom of the pictograph. So here your scale will come. Scale. What is our scale? One vehicle or one picture indicates 12 vehicles. जो भी हम लोग एक पिक्चर बनाएंगे वो क्या इंडिकेट करेगा, क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेगा? 12 vehicles. Now bicycle. Now at which position this 84 is coming in 12 times table? Can you tell? So how many pictures will draw for this bicycle? ये bicycle के लिए हम लोग कितने pictures बनाएंगे? Are you able to tell me? Tell. Correct. So 7, because 12 sevens are 84. So we'll draw only 7 pictures because one picture represents 12 vehicles. So 12 sevens are 84. So we'll draw only seven pictures. So how our table will be? हमारा टेबल कैसे आएगा? Vehicles and numbers of vehicles. Correct? Numbers of vehicles. Types of vehicles. Correct? Now, first is a bicycle. Now, you will choose the correct symbol for the vehicles. तो अब मुझे vehicle बनाना तो नहीं आता, but I will draw one for you. Suppose मैंने cycle ले लिया, ठीक है? So this is the one cycle. Okay, so how many cycles I'll draw? One cycle indicates 12 vehicles. Okay, so one picture. Correct? So how many pictures I will draw of cycle? I will draw 7 pictures. Okay, now I am making over here stars only, but you will not use stars and moon for this. Okay, you will use the proper symbol. So I will use your star. Okay, because space is not there and it is not possible to draw the vehicle over here. Okay, so I will use stars. So 12 sevens are 84. So how many pictures I'll draw? 7 pictures. So I'll make the 7 star for the bicycle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now automatic two-wheeler. Second vehicle is automatic two-wheeler. You will write the full word. Okay, so automatic two-wheeler. How many two-wheelers are there in Vadgaon? 60. Correct? 60 hai. Now, how many pictures you will draw for this 60? Tell me. Very good. 5. Because 12 5s are 60. So for this 60, you will draw 5 pictures, and that 5 picture will represent 60 automatic two-wheelers. So 5 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now next vehicle is four-wheelers. Cars and jeeps. Four-wheelers. Now, four-wheelers are 24. So how many pictures you will draw? Very good. 2. 1, 2. Why 1, 2? Because 12 twos are 24. So if you draw two pictures, that two pictures will represent 24 vehicles. Then heavy vehicles. Next type is heavy vehicles. Okay, heavy vehicles. Now 12. 12 are there. One picture represent 12 vehicles. So we'll draw only one picture. So one star will be there. And the last tractors. Last one is the tractor. So tractors are again 24. So we'll draw two pictures. That two pictures will represent 24 tractors. Okay, very easy one. No need to think anything for this. Okay, ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, इतना सिंपल सा है ये. Correct? Very simple. And the scale and symbol is very important. Now we'll see the next one. Okay, we'll see the now next one. Now you people will tell me the scale. Okay, now see it carefully and you will tell me the scale. Okay. Question number 3. The numbers of various books kept in a cupboard in the school library are given below. Make a pictograph showing the information given. Okay. अब स्कूल के लाइब्रेरी में के कबर्ड में रखे गए वेरियस बुक से so you have to make a pictograph for this information. Type of books and number of books. First book is science and number of science books are 28. Then sports books are 14. The next book is poetry and number of books are 21. Literature books are 35 and history books are 7. So which scale? Now observe the numbers and tell me the scale. Tell me the factor. Tell me the appropriate scale. You are telling only 7. But what do you mean by that 7? Can you tell me please? So if you observe this number, these numbers are having the common factor as 7. अगर इस नंबर को अगर आप देख रहे हो 28, 14, 21, 35, 7, if you observe this, so in that 7 is the common factor. हर एक का फैक्टर 7 है, करेक्ट? Each number is having common factor as 7. या फिर 7 के टेबल में ये सारे नंबर्स आते हैं. ओके, सो इफ वी use symbol as a book, okay, that one book, if we use the symbol book, because हम लोग बुक क्यों ले रहे हैं, हम लोग बुक क्यों ले रहे हैं, because these are the books in the library. So proper symbol, appropriate symbol for this pictograph is book only. तो अगर हम लोग एक बुक ड्रॉ करेंगे तो उसका मतलब क्या होगा, one book will represent 7 books and this is our scale. This is our scale. One book represents 7 books, correct? So again same columns will come, types of books, number of books, then will here it will come I will little bit erase these numbers. Okay, now we'll make pictograph over here only and you will write the scale at the bottom of the pictograph. Okay, I have written here at the right hand side, but where you will write this scale at the bottom of the pictograph. Same columns will be there. Types of books, okay, and the second number of books. First, science, 28 books are there. So how many pictures of books you will draw? How many symbols you will draw? Tell me at what position the 28 is coming in 7 times table. At which place? 4. So how many books you will draw? So you people are saying at the third place. 7 3s are 28 or 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. So how many books will be you will draw here? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One book represents 7 books. So 4 7s are 28. So हो गया. Then sports, 14 books are there. How many pictures you will draw? Sports के 14 books है. So how many books you will draw? Very good. 2. 7 2s are 14. So only 2 books of sports. Now poetry, 21. 21. Very good. 3 books. 7 3s are 21. So you will draw 3 pictures. 1, 2 and 3. Literature, 35 books. Literature के 35 books है. So can you tell me how many picture I will draw here? 7 5s are 35. Very good. So 5 books I will draw over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And last one, history. 7 books are there. So how many pictures I'll draw? Very good. 1 book. Very good. Okay. So here my pictograph is over and my scale is 1 book equals to 7 book. 1 symbol equals to 7 book. आपको वो symbol draw करना है scale में जो आप pictograph में use कर रहे हो. Okay. And here your problem set 52 and chapter number 14 pictograph is also over. Very simple. Okay. ये भी आज खत्म हो गया. Now we start the chapter number 15. But before starting chapter number 15, can you have any doubt? You are facing any doubt? while in this studying in this chapter, pictograph. So many students are typing. No teacher, we don't have any doubt. Okay, so we'll start the chapter number 15. And chapter number 15, again a very easy chapter, patterns. Okay, very simple chapter, patterns. Okay, now we'll start with the patterns. Now these patterns we are observing everywhere. Okay, okay. We are seeing so many patterns in our surrounding. Some trees are having patterns. Okay, कुछ लीव्स होते हैं उनका अरेंजमेंट सेम नहीं होता है. फ्लावर्स के पेटल्स अरेंजमेंट सेम होता है. ओके, द फ्लोर. ओके, फ्लोर होता है. देन सारी डिजाइन having the same pattern. So we are observing so many patterns around us. Okay, now patterns are in number also. Square numbers are there, cube numbers are there. Okay, then triangular numbers are there. Now what is mean by square number? 1 into 1. So this is a square number. 1 into 1 क्या आने वाला है? Answer 1 ones are 1. Okay, if I say 2 rows, now 2 rows and 2 columns means what? 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. So 4 is a square number of 2. अगर मैं 2 into 2 करती हूँ तो मेरा आंसर क्या होगा? 4. मतलब 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, now here square of 4 is given. 4 into 4. What is mean by 4 into 4? 4 rows. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows. And 4 columns. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rows means horizontal. And columns means vertical. So 4 into 4. 4 rows और 4 columns अगर मैं multiply करती हूँ तो 4 4 का कितना हो जाएगा? 16. तो मेरे देखो कितने डॉट्स आए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 into 4. So 16 is a square number of 4. 4 का square क्या है? 16. 16 क्या हो गया? Square number. Okay. Same 5 into 5. If you are going to find out square of 5, तो क्या करोगे? 5 rows. Okay. So here I am increasing one more row, 5 and 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. I will increase here one more. Okay. So 5 rows, 5 columns. 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. तो कितने extra dot आ गए? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 15, 5 threes are, sorry, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. तो 25 ये क्या हो गया? Square number. Okay, 5 square is 25. So this is your homework. Okay, you have to find out square number from 1 to 20. ये मैं किसी को भी पूछूंगी. You will learn this at home. Okay, मैं next lecture में next Tuesday I am going to ask to each and everyone. You will learn the square numbers of 1 to 20. 1 का square number क्या है? 1 into 1 1. 2 का square number 2 into 2 4. 3 का square number 3 into 3 9. 4 का square number 4 into 4 16. 5 का square 5 into 5 25. 6 का square 6 into 6 36. Correct? 7 का square number 7 into 7 49. Correct? So you have to find out 1 to 20 squares. 1 to 20 squares सिर्फ लिखना नहीं है, learn भी करना है. I'll ask आपको स्क्वायर निकालना है, कैसे निकालोगे? उसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे। अगर मुझे 11 का स्क्वायर निकालना है, आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर ऑफ 11। सो हाउ विल डू? 11 into 11। तो मेरा स्क्वायर क्या आएगा? 11 into 11 का जो भी आंसर होगा वो मेरा स्क्वायर होगा, 121। दिस इज माय स्क्वायर। ओके, 11 का स्क्वायर क्या आ गया? 121। तो आपको ऐसे 1 to 20 तक क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्क्वायर्स फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, समझ में आया सबको होमवर्क? दोज हु आर आस्किंग टीचर आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर, तो समझ में आया? उसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, जो आंसर आएगा वो क्या होगा? उसका स्क्वायर। तो आपको ऐसे 1 to 20 तक स्क्वायर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं और वो लर्न भी करना है, बिकॉज that numbers are squares are very important in the patterns. Okay, correct? Now next one is a triangular numbers. Now next thing, I hope this square numbers is clear to you. Now let's go through the triangular numbers. Now what is meant by triangular numbers? Okay, this is a pattern for the triangular numbers. Now see, 1 plus 2. Then second, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Then next, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So these are the triangular numbers. 1 plus 2 कितना होता है? 3. तो 3 क्या है? ट्रायंगुलर नंबर। 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 3 6। तो 6 ये भी क्या हो गया? ट्रायंगुलर नंबर। 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 कितना हो गया? 6 plus 4 10। So 10 is also a triangular number. करेक्ट? तो आप अगर ऐसे ऐड करते जाओगे तो वो क्या मिलेंगे आपको? ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स। करेक्ट? अब मैं यहाँ पे और एक्स्ट्रा ऐड कर देती हूँ। 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5। 1 2 3 4 and 5। So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5। तो इसका टोटल आ गया यहाँ तक 10। 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10 plus this 5, 15। So 15 is also a triangular number. Correct? 3 6 then 10 15, ये क्या हो गए? ट्रायंगुलर नंबर। आपके ऐसे ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट 30 ट्रायंगुलर नंबर आपको फाइंड आउट करने हैं। ओके, आप ऐसे ऐड करते जाओगे तो आपको वो ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स पता चल जाएगा। करेक्ट? सी 3 6 10 15 21, these are the triangular number। आपको ऐसे ऐसे फाइंड आउट करते जाना है। सी here are some patterns। correct? We are seeing this pattern when we are playing Ludo. That time also we are seeing the patterns in that. Correct? So our problem set 53 is based on that only, to find out the square numbers, to find out the triangular numbers. Okay, so our problem set is based on the square number and triangular number. तो आपको नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में जब हम लोग ये प्रॉब्लम सेट सॉल्व करेंगे, प्रॉब्लम सेट 53, दैट टाइम योर स्क्वायर नंबर्स एंड ट्रायंगुलर नंबर्स शुड बी बाय हार्ट। जब हम लोग ये सॉल्व करेंगे उसके लिए, इसलिए मैंने ये अभी स्टार्ट नहीं किया। when in the next lecture we are going to start the problem set, that time you will be ready with your square numbers and the triangular numbers. Okay, correct? So here we are stopping now. Okay, but you will do your work very honestly. टीचर ने बताया छोड़ दिया नहीं, you will learn the square numbers and triangular numbers. Okay,